Perfect.
All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. I'm not sure what it is, but it's always time to make this money. So let's turn on the lights first. Let's turn on the lights. Oh, there I am. There I am. Good stuff. Good stuff, guys. Audio is on. Let's put some background music. Set the mood. Set the mood with perfect. Set the mood with perfect. All right, guys. My name is Joe. This is TradingIntuition, where we go over coins. We go over Bitcoin. We go over the market. We go over coins you're looking at, coins you want, some thought process on. Now, one thing that I do that I feel is unlike most influencers, most YouTubers, is I show you my thought process when it comes to trading. When it comes to trading, I show you everything as far as why I pick what I pick and why I don't. Now, I don't do stuff that's super confusing. I don't have all these indicators and, you know, bunch of crazy drawings and stuff. Now, do I like the GAN fan, not Fane. Do I like the GAN fan and all these other, tools? Yeah, sure, of course. I mean, they're cool, and especially when they play out, man, are they super cool. But what I do, I just keep it simple. I really do. I just keep it simple. And if you like simple, well, then you're gonna love this show, because it doesn't get any more simpler than this. It really doesn't. If you find somebody who is more simplistic, that's when it comes to trading, let me know. Let me know. Definitely let me know. All right, we got some familiar faces in here. So happy you're here, guys. So happy you're here. Today's a good day. Today is a good day. It's nice and sunny outside. It's nice and cool. It is 75 degrees. It's warmed up a little bit. It was a little chilly, or not chillier, but it was a little fresher earlier. Got some sun and just enjoying the day. Today's been a good day. Today's been a really good day. It's really good to have people around you who, how should we say this? It's really good to have people around you who care about you. It really is. Because all the money in the world, if you have nobody to either share it with or spend time with, that's not worth it. So very important, never burn bridges. If you, whether it's a relationship or, your boss or anything, like, you always want to give that 2-week notice. If it's a boss, you always want to give that 2-week notice. You always want to just leave on good terms, because you never know when you might bump into them or might need their help again. So it's very, very important. And same thing with your family too. Like, take care of your family. You may have, disagreements or anything like that. I know what you're saying, Joe, this is a crypto show. No, this is a TradingIntuition show. I let you know my wins, my losses, personal stuff. It's just, so you can know me. But same thing with family too. I didn't talk to my brother for like a good 1.5 years, I think 2 years. Then when mom passed, of course, start talking to him. And it's funny too. I have a story, but I'll just get to that later, because I know I'm probably losing a bunch of y'all. Now, let's go ahead and start with Bitcoin. Let's do Bitcoin. Then of course we got some other things. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, I don't have this on. So let's go ahead and do restream chat. Say the question, considering the countdown, ignore it. Yeah, I'm not sure what you're referring to. See, we got some charts that we're going to do good. Always Learning says, looking forward to you talk about Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance in the alts. Awesome, man. Appreciate you greatly. Now, Always Learning likes to yell his stuff. Always Learning, calm it down a little bit. There you go. There you go. All right. Moving on. Man, today's a good day. Woke up. Man, I had a little bit of sleep today. I was up all night charting again, doing research. Now, there is one coin. I've mentioned this before in the live streams, where you want Launchpad tokens. You really do, guys. You really do. I was doing, good 4 or 5 hours just researching different Launchpad tokens, their tokenomics, their team, just a whole bunch of stuff. It's a lot of work. Good Lord. I don't know how everybody does this on the regular. Plus, they have a team. And plus, doing the charts and keeping up with everything. But I was doing a lot of research last night. There's one coin that I did get into. It's very high risk. It doesn't look good, but I still got into it, because they may update their website. They may, implement more stuff, and we might go over that. See, Always Learning says, get some sleep. Yes, I do need to get some sleep. It's funny. Today I had just a few hours, and I woke up in a panic. I was like, oh crap, I'm late. But I want to make y'all's money, guys. I really do. Really do. But yes, I do know that I need to get some sleep. And matter of fact, more than likely tonight, I will hopefully get some sleep. So we'll see. We shall see. All right, Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin, what are you doing, man? Messing around? Messing around with our money? Here, I sold some because it's at resistance. It's in the zone. And sure enough, it went up. And then liquidation, city population, not me. I still have a little bit though. And it went up and resistance again, broke out, bull trap. And then Bitcoin says, bulloney. Nope, I'm going up higher. And then it does a really nice retest. now creating a higher high. This is crazy. This is crazy. Man, we're in the best time in crypto, period. The best time to be in crypto. It should have retraced 3 months ago. What's the answer, guys? The ETFs? The ETFs, really? Come on, like all this big money's in it. Do I think we're ever going to get 31 again? Nope. Back in December, I did. Back in December, we were really, really close to it. You know, having that idea possibly play out. And Bitcoin says, no, y'all don't know nothing. You know, the people who said that it's going to go to 100K, and then those same people that said it's going to go 31K, well, they were right. What? It's the same person. Yeah, they were right. Okay. What's up, guys? What is up? We got Ian in the house. We got Dave P in the house. We got a bunch of others. If you're on Twitter, let me know. If you're on Twitter, let me know. You know, put a heart and of course do a reply to it. Let me know here. Definitely let me know. All right, so let's get back to this. Let us get back to Bitcoin. So what do I see Bitcoin doing? I see Bitcoin going up. I mean, there's the next level. I mean, what are we even looking at over here? Bitcoin, you're making my job hard, Bitcoin. All-time high. I don't even know why I was looking to the left. I'm so used to looking to the left. Did y'all see that, guys? I am so used to looking to the left that even though we're at an all-time high, what did I do? Out of instincts. It's like, how come there's nothing over here? All-time high, guys. We're making history. We are making history. 73. Man. This was our level of resistance, our major level of resistance, all-time high. This is where it needed to break. And how did it do it? Rejection. Broke through and nope. Gaining more strength. All that FOMO. Real, you know, just everything coming in. And then now it's, I mean, if we do pull back, let's see here. Let's do another fib retracement. So now our fib, let's hide this one so we don't get all confused. Hide that. Got a bunch of levels. Let's go to, man, y'all are smashing those hearts like crazy. I love it. Right now we do have a bunch of people on, no, I can't do fib retracement. Right now we do have a bunch of people on YouTube smashing the hearts. They are going nuts. They're going nuts. Showing the love, showing the excitement. We're just killing it, guys. We're just killing it. I'm thinking about doing a challenge. We'll see. We shall see. See, Always Learning says, I was waiting for the 31 retest where I had a buy order to pick up a couple of Bitcoin and definitely missed it. Oh, yeah. It happens. I mean, it would have been a really great. This was back in December. You know, we drove our fib tool. Boom. 31. Golden pocket. And it said, nah, not today. All right. So let's just look for a point. Okay. What we can do is we can use the fib extension and we need 3 points. A low, a high, and then a low, a high, and then a next low prior to the move. Now I do see one right here. We have a low, we have a high, we have a low prior to the run up. Now you can say, well, Joe, that's only one wick. Well, we're on the daily time frame. If we go to a smaller time frame, we have it on the 4 hour. If we go to a 1 hour time frame, we have it there. You know, so do you want to see more candles? Well, we just go to a lower time frame. But it only did a wick. But regardless, right now we're on the daily time frame. We're looking at this bad boy. Where is our next target? Jeez Louise. Price action. Let's get rid of our magnet tool. Price action is here. We do have a target right around the 271, the 1.27272. Well, originally it'd be right here, right underneath the 1. Do I have another? What's this one? Oh, this was the from the last bull market to the low. That was that one that I just took off. But for here, for us to get to the 1, we're looking at $83.6 thousand. 14% move. Can it do it? Yep, sure can. It sure can. Will it do it? Only time will tell. Only time will tell. So let's go ahead and do a copy on this. Let's go over here. Let's do a paste to this. That way it's perfect. Well, you know what? Let's just do 83.6. Let's make it more fancy. Let's just do 83.6. That looks fancy. Copy. Okay. And I'm gonna change this to 83.6. It's fancy. And then, I mean, we could change this one if we wanted to. 83.6. Okay. And there we go. So our first target for Bitcoin, if it continues in this manner, just bullishness, where is the retrace? That's what I want to know. Where is the retrace? Show me, Bitcoin. Up, 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 slightly down, up, 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 slightly down, up, then kind of down, then up, 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 up. Where is the retrace? I mean, the retrace should easy, probably the lower portion of the support zone, in my opinion. I don't know. But at the rate it's going, our target, this will always be our target. You know, if it's going to hit it this week, this month, this year, it just depends on people buying and selling. And if we have a retrace, like we need a retrace. I need these altcoins to cool down a little bit, and then we can, you know, 200, 400%. That's what I'm looking at. So just give you a heads up. Let's see here, checking, and I think I do. Okay, awesome, man. We got people in both streams. Double support, double supporting the live stream. You guys are the best, man. I mean, you really are. You guys are the best. I absolutely love each and every one of you. I would never be fake. I would never, you know, show you love and then behind your back not show you love. You know what I mean? This one, 32%, 96. There are some people that do that. I'm sure you have experienced that. Let us do this one, and let us do a 96. Just make it pretty. And that's at 96. Oh, I forgot to copy it. And come over here. And our next target. Nope, 96. Okay. Yep, perfect. Did I put too many zeros? No. Man, can you imagine that? Almost $100,000. Now for the 618 or the 1618 is right there, right at 1,000. Look at that. 100,000 million quadrillion dollars. Let's see here. Do the hearts and others help with engagement. Yes, guys. Always learning. You're the best. You're the best. You know. Let's do a 1 minute challenge. Let's do a 1 minute challenge. Let's see. Always Learning has hearts, and Dave P has the smiley face, and Ian has the hundreds. And let's pick one more contestant. Let's do Luke. Luke, you get the surprise face. You get the surprise face. So let's do a 1 minute competition. And don't start yet. We're going to actually wait for the timer. I do have a timer here. Let's see here. No, I don't. I thought I did. Oh, here it is. Countdown. Yes. So let me go ahead and change the timer. It's going to be just 1 minute. It's going to be a 1 minute timer. And when you see it come on the screen, then you go. And everybody smash the emoji that I picked for you. 3, 2, 1, go. There we go. Let's smash them. Let's smash them. Let's see here. So this is what I see on this. And while y'all are doing that, I'm going to go to the very first coin, The very first coin is DMTR. DMTR. We got the competition going. We got, oh, I see hundreds. I see hundreds. I see smiley faces. I see a whole bunch. I see a whole bunch. I see a whole bunch. Keep it going, guys. Smash it. Let's see who wins. We got 1 minute. We got the timer on the clock. We got 28 seconds to go. Who will prevail? Who will prevail? And y'all are smashing those like crazy. We got an alert. So the first one is DMTR, USDT. USDT. Good Lord. I want to say the hearts are killing it. You got the hundreds. Hearts, hundreds. Some faces, hundreds. Man, I'm watching it right now. I'm going to have to, okay. So this is where everybody participates. What did you see? Who do you think won? I say hearts. That's my vote. That's my vote, is the hearts. Let's see here. But everybody did great, though. Everybody did really great. Everybody did great. Okay, so DMTR. I like it. Of course, it already pumped. Can we make any money doing this coin? Let me see. DMTR. It's only on coupon. Okay. Good stuff. Good stuff. Right now, when I enter the trade, it's very high risk, just due to the fact that it's pumped. It pumped hard already. So what I don't like doing is I don't like entering coins that have already pumped. I really don't. And the reason for that is because you have a higher chance that it's going to come down. For example, we have the move started here, and we won't do this one because it's still active. Let's go 4-hour time frame. Now we'll just do this one. So here, it did come to the right on the golden pocket, bounced up. I would expect it to come down. I would expect it to come down. It could still have a lot of steam. We do have increased volume. We do have big time divergence, bullish divergence, which is already playing out / may have played out. But I would like to see it do this. Do one more bounce and gain strength on this golden pocket area. And then, of course, it comes up. Now, me personally, I would wait till it breaks this level. Now, the reason I would like it to break this level is just to secure my thought process when it comes to this. Right now, we have a liquidity zone. This is a sell zone. That's what it is. Whenever you see liquidity, whenever you see wicks, it's just selling pressure. If they're on top, on bottom, buying pressure, support. So I would love to see it come down here. Now, let's see what the percentage is between this. Always the first one I do a lot more thought process. 15%. I'm okay with missing 18%. So that if the price action does break up, and of course come down, do this number, and then, do this number, I would much rather risk, or rather not have 18% once it crosses this for my entry. Because it could easily, let's say I bought right now, which I wouldn't. I'm underneath resistance, it comes down. I'm in the trade and I'm waiting. It comes down. And I'm in the trade and I'm waiting. Now rejection. Now it comes back into this golden pocket, looking good, comes down, and then starts coming up. Oh, and I have this backwards too. I didn't even realize that. Oh, wrong one. Let's come over here. Let's go to style. Uncheck reverse. So it's the 0.5 and 618 in that order. So I would wait, and I would actually have my alert set. Oops, what am I doing? What did I do? Moved it. So I would have my alert set about right here. So I'm willing to risk, or not take 22%. Just so that when I do get alerted, I have a really good possibility that I'll be bouncing in here or right in this zone before coming up. So I'm just reducing my risk. So that's what I do on that one. My nose itches. My nose, my nose, my nose. Let's see here. Man, we get some retweets on the stream. I thank you guys so much. I'm really lucky. I am really lucky to have such a strong community. And like I work really, really hard for you guys. I want to make y'all so much money. Whether you're in the free portion of the Discord or the paid portion, I don't care. My goal is to make you money. And I've said this from day one. Like, I want to get rich with you, not because of you. Not a lot. There are some people that can say that, but those are the unpopular ones. You know, there's a lot of great people in crypto. There are a lot of great people in crypto, and I'm seeing more and more of them versus the ones that just want to do the bait and switch. You know, they give you all this really great information. Man, like, how did you do that? Oh, if you want to join, it's $1,000. You know, there's one group I saw, it was $1,000 a month. I was going to join it just because it's $1,000. Like, why is it so expensive? Like, I literally was going to join it. But did you see how the brain works though? If it's free, it doesn't have value. But if it's $1,000, why is it $1,000 a month? What are they doing in there? It piques that curiosity. And then on top of that, they had a wait list. So now it creates the urgency. Oh man, can I even get in? Everybody, it's psychological. They're very smart. It's psychological. Everybody wants to be a part of something. Everybody. For the most part. You know, some people just want to be loners, and that's fine. But it's psychological. You know, it's an elite group. You know, if you get approved, then we would charge your card or whatever, and then you can enter our whatever. I was like, man, these guys are good. Where do I pay? Psychological. Moving on. All right, so we did that one. We got Luke in the house. What's up, Luke? So Luke is asking for CRV. I love Curve. So let's look at this. Let's just put this one on the watch list. Rapid fire. Oh, and I'm always trying to do better when it comes to this stuff. Let's see here. So what I want to do is add selection. Today is a 3/13/24. Click away. Make sure it's there. What I want to do is CRV USDT. And this one we will go with MEXC Curve Finance. DeFi is going to be big, guys. DeFi is always going to be big. And this one, this is what you like seeing. Slow, steady increase. Slow retraces are perfect. Slow, steady increase. I don't know what the market cap is on this one, but we are going to find out right now. So I am on coinmarketcap.com. CRV. This is Curve market cap. Oof, it's kind of tiny. I knew it was big, but I didn't know it was that big, especially right now anyway. It's only $999.5 million. So you do have an option to get this. And there's like, it's going to be big. And what the thing is too, one thing I'm showing everybody that this is really important stuff. Like whenever you're going to enter a trade, this stuff you have to know. Like you really do. It's DeFi. It's a DEX. So those are the main buzzwords. And, you know, yield farming, yes. But for me, the big buzzwords are DeFi and DEX. Very important. Now, on top of that, market cap. Does this mean that it cannot do 30% in one day? No, it doesn't mean that. It can do 30% in one day. The likelihood of it doing 30% in one day is much lower than a market cap of, let's say, 100 million. That one can do 30% fairly quick. So this is why it's super important to understand market caps, to understand what the categories are. If memes are just killing it and you happen to find a meme coin that hasn't taken it off yet, and you do your research, you check to see how many Twitter followers they have, if they're active. Same thing with their Discord or Telegram, you know, seeing how many people are in there. And, you know, real people, you can tell the bots, you know, you can just tell. I mean, they'll do some likes and then they'll have the same comment. Just kind of give you a heads up. All right, so let's look at this. Let's stop jibber jabbering and let's look at this. Nice. And this, of course, I really need to look at all these coins. And I started going through them. There are like 2,000 of them on MEXC. But right here we had this little zone that it broke out of. This was our zone. This was our resistance zone. It broke out of it. It's looking really good. Let's go to our daily time frame. The daily is also looking very, very nice. You can see that it had a fake out, came back in, came out, another fake out, came back in, came out. Now the candle closed above the breakout of 0.8089, which is good. A lot of buying pressure. Then the next one, a lot of buying pressure. And today, do I think right now is a good time to enter this trade? Yes. Luke, my hat goes off to you, sir. If I had a hat, my hat goes off to you. Luke found a very, very interesting coin. Now, granted, it has a large market cap, so it's more of a, to me, in my opinion, it is a safer play. With that being said, I like it. I like it a lot. So, what else can we look about? What else can we say about this? Well, we can say we had a bottom, we had another bottom. Broke out of this level that we've already talked about. Let's go ahead and do our targets. So great job. And thank you guys for smashing those floating hearts. It does help engagement. I do greatly appreciate you tremendously. And for everybody watching on Twitter, thank you guys very much. So let's go ahead and look and see where our next resistance level is. I want to make sure our magnet tool is on. We do have a level right here. We have another level fairly tight, which is right here. And then we have our next level right here. What we could even do is we can go from the high to the low. And we'll use this low. Oh, wait, no, this one's lower. Yeah, this one's lower. So we can get additional levels. And this will give us targets. Man. Long term. Let's do this one for a long term. Get out of here, man. I haven't even looked at this one too. I was going through a bunch of long-term holds. And I've mentioned this before. What I'm doing is I am doing trades on this one particular MEXC account. You know, I recommend having multiples. But on this one particular MEXC account, I'm doing trades to where it is a no losing account. It is a win-only account. I don't care if I'm down 30%. I will not sell it. I have no stop loss. This account is only, I'm going to treat it like a savings account. Put money in. Hopefully, I never have to take it out until the November 2025. With that being said, I'm going to treat it like a savings account. I'm going to put money in. There was a coin I was down. It was a high-risk coin. I was down 25% the other day. Now I checked it this morning. I was up like 12%. Not selling it. Just gonna hold it. And of course, yeah, I keep on referring to Layer AI, where I was down 50% 3 months ago, and now I'm up. I was up 300%, but now I think I went down to 240%. Okay, keep going. But what I do feel bad at that I didn't buy more when it dumped that 50%. I should have. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? But I just didn't. It would have been a great opportunity. Just didn't. And that's what you want. Like when it pulls back so much, you know, if you can, you know. I think I was already in another trade and I didn't want to get out of that trade. It would have been better though, but woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Okay, moving on. So for this one, let's see here. If we do enter this trade right now, which would be really great, and we just held it long term. Target 6x. Not too shabby. Now, look at the market cap. Can it do 6x? Sure. Why not? Who knows how crazy this bull run's going to be with all the hype that Bitcoin has, with all the hype that it's going to bring in new people. It's going to get absolutely nuts. And we're in before everybody else. We're going to make a crap load of money, guys. Crap load. And then, of course, if you're in the group, the Discord group, it's going to be even better because we do stuff very strategically and keep you up to date, especially in the VIP. Especially in the VIP. So, let's see here. Let's do short term. Oh, did I even give you a target? I mean, it's so for our 600%, we're looking at $6. What are we at right now? $1? Oh, so let's go ahead and just do this. Would you say $6? That's your target. Long-term hold target. Long-term hold target. Now, what if we want to enter this on a just a regular trade? Just do a regular trade. Sure, let's do that. Let's do that. So for a regular trade with a stop loss, for me personally, I would enter right now, and you know, I'd have to do it down here. I would have to do 20. I would have to do about 18% stop loss. It's kind of big, kind of a big stop loss, but that's what's needed in right now. Right now, that is what is needed. So this is our stop loss. Now, as far as our target goes, our target, well, right in the golden pocket. So for our target, we will come up to, I do like the 786. Let me change this around. Let's come over here to this and let's do the reverse, because now we put it from top to bottom. And okay, so this is actually the safer area to enter, but we're gonna miss out on 30%. So this blue line, let me go ahead and make it a little bit. 382. This is a really good area to enter. Just because it's safer, because it already did this retrace, and then it now starting to come up. So this would be a nice area, safer entry. And you can even see it here too. Like here's our resistance, here's our resistance. So it's coming up right to the 382 number. So if you want to reduce your risk, well, then you can just wait for setting out right there. But for me personally, I would see. Now, let me go and do this, and then I'll do my thought. Okay, so this would be my target right underneath this level, and this might get a little bit messy, but this would be my target, and then my next target would be roughly, I can't see nothing. Oh, that's it. Okay, cool. Next target, I would say underneath the 0. So I don't want to do one too so high. So let's just do 145. Yeah, we'll do one right here. So we'll put this to the front, and then we'll do this one. So these are my two targets with a stop loss, right around 18%. I don't recommend having a stop loss, but if you do want to have a stop loss, I would do it at 18%, and hopefully this will make you money. Oh yeah, let me go ahead and do, I don't know if I should start doing this or not on the charts. That way I know, you know, where it was, but as far as the time goes. But anyway, let's go ahead and do this real quick. Put this to the YouTube rapid fire. Okay, even though it wasn't rapid, it wasn't rapid. All right. Let's see here. Any other ones? We got Dave P in the house. We got Mr. Ian. We got Mr. Ian, and Oh man, there's a lot of charts. Okay, Bitcoin has never made an all-time high before the halving. I know, this is so nuts, guys. This is so incredibly nuts. Again, we're making history. We are making history. And it's just crazy. It is just crazy. Yeah, so I vote the hearts. Always Learning says, yes, hearts for sure, LOL. And that's because he was doing the hearts. He was doing the hearts. My finger was hurting, pressing them hearts. Tell you what, guys. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain. So we do have Always Learning for the champ. The championship belt. Mr. Always Learning has that one for sure. See, Always Learning says, my wrist is tired too. Clicking that dang button. Man, I tell you what, I'm surprised this mouse is held up, because when I go to a bunch of the streamers, I mean, I'm just constantly just, you know, doing the hearts and just everything else is like, ugh. But let's see, I'd buy the bounce. Yeah, the bounces are really good. And so what you could do, you could put a portion in, and then give it some time. You know, hopefully it retraces. And then, so what I like doing is I like having lower bids. So here's a tip. Here's a pro tip. I'm sure I've given this before. When we're in the market, and this happens, I wouldn't say often, but it's not irregular, where we'll be doing really great, euphoric, just great stuff. And then all of a sudden it dips 20-30%. So what I do, well, this is what I did last bull run. I didn't do it on a lot of coins, but I did it on some, where I would go and I would see where the price action's at, and I would just measure 20%. And I would do an entry. I would place a bid. Now, when you place a bid, it takes out the money from your reserve to put into that trade. So when the price comes down to that area, if it comes down, your order gets filled. Now, I normally have one for 20%, and then one around like 30, 35, and it's not like exact number. Some I'll do like 22, you know, some, you know, usually above a support area. So just like how I was going to do like a target or stop loss, that's how I do this. I just set it, you know, 22, 18%, 32, 35, or 36%, whatever it is. And I just, and not a lot of money, just, you know, a little bit of money in there, you know. And this has happened a few times, because I remember waking up and I was super surprised. I was like, what the heck? Why do I have like a good amount in the positive? Like I knew how much I had, but I saw the dip and everything. And I go and I was, oh man, that's right. I added more to these coins. And what I'll do is, maybe once a week, you know, I'll go and I'll cancel those lower bids or whatever, and I'll move them up. And it's based off of the current, because you don't want to have one that the price keeps on going up and up and up. Well, now it's like 55%, because the chance of it going down 55% in one of those like flash crashes or, you know, little whatever you want to call them, is very extremely rare. But if you're following it, about 20 to 30% have entries, and just be surprised. Be surprised. Let's see, tips. Let's do tips. Let's see here. Do we put this one in here? Yep. So let's do tips. USDT. I'm guessing Gate.io. Tips. Okay. So tips looks. I don't like this price action. Like, to me, like this stuff. Can you make money? Yep, sure can. Let's see what the market cap is. I can already tell you it's a nothing market cap. It's going to be like under 100 million. So this is TIPS. This is Fedora coin. And yeah. It's only 1.4. So this means if I put in $500, I will move it. I will move it. Just like that. Now, does that mean that if you put in 500 that you will move it? No. I'm just saying that this is a coin. If anything, I would throw 20 bucks at it. Again, not financial advice. Nothing on this channel is ever financial advice. This is only for entertainment. I'd throw 20 bucks in it. Wait about a week or so. Throw another 20 bucks in it. Wait a couple weeks or so. Throw another 20 bucks in it. Just because you don't want to put 200 or 500 all at once, because you will make it move, in my opinion. And then if you like this coin, if you like the research, you've done research on it and everything, you like the team, then I would just do slow increments. And who knows? Like one day, it could be, you know, 50x. So, but yeah. So for this one, that's what I would do. No, not even in a strategy. Just throw 20 bucks at it. Throw 20 bucks. Yeah, not financial advice. All right. So now we're getting faster. Now we're getting faster. JUPITER. Okay, this is going to be on MEXC. Nice. I've been hearing a lot of people talk about this one. A lot of people talking about it. What to buy right now? No. It already moved. So let's go to our magnet tool. This was our level that we need to watch for. You can see our level right here and here. It broke out. Oh, wait a minute. It just started. So this, I'd enter. Yeah. And the reason I changed my mind is because now I'm on the 4-hour time frame. This candle closed above it, which is good. So we could have bought the breakout on this one, or we could have entered this next one, which is safer. Or, you know, if you want to wait 2 or 3 candles, the longer you wait, the safer the trade. Could it always come down? Yes, of course. I like it. And what's the market cap? This is JUP Jupiter. Oh, it's a big market cap. Dang it. And I was hoping it was a small one. But for me right now, I would enter and then also have a lower bid. So let's do an entry right here. And then my lower bid will be down here. But right now, let's go and see all. Okay. I need to adjust my screens, man. You see how far I'm turning my head? Okay, whiplash. We got DeFi. We got a DEX. Solana. It's on fire. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. With that being said, where are my targets? Magnet tool is on. Let's do the FIB extension. Gonna go from the low into the high. Do we have another low? I mean, we could do this. Do this low. I don't know. I mean, it can work. I mean, because if you go to a lower time frame, I mean, you could say, well, no, not that. You know, go right here. But for me, it's always the low, wherever I'm at. So let's do 4-hour time frame. I do like it. The only thing I don't like about it is that the market cap is so big, 1.2 billion. But look at this, guys. Notice my whole thought process. The market cap. Market cap is very important to me. Even with the market cap that large, it went up 32%. Well, let's get it from now. We just make it to where it's from here to here in 3 days. In 3 days, it's gone up 32%. That is huge. How much has it gone down? We won't even call that. We'll call this right here. So from here to here, 8 days, it's done 73%. So this is a very important tip. Just because you see the market cap huge, that does not mean that it cannot move. It can do 30, 40, 50, 70% in a week. So just be aware of that. Now for me, what is Jupiter? DeFi, let me go to their website. Let's bring this over. So I'm not cracking my head. Okay. So let's go ahead and take this off. Let's go to their website. And this is the stuff that like you need to be doing whenever you're going to enter a coin. You really do, in my opinion. Because it's swap. Okay. That's it. Let's see here. Let's go to their website again. Where was their website? Right here. Let's go this other one. Jupiter Space Station. Quick start. Ooh, it's a launch pad. Okay. Launch limit order, launch swap. What's this? LFG Launchpad. I love it. I'm sold. Let me sell a kidney. So he has a bridge feature, blah blah blah, etc. etc. One of the best on-chain exchanges. What is JUP? Very interesting. Very interesting. What is JUP? Huh. Am I on the right one? Yeah, JUP. Some Binance, KuCoin, bunch of exchanges. Let's go to about. See, as one of the industry's most advanced swap aggregator engines, Jupiter excels in delivering essential liquidity infrastructure for the Solana ecosystem. Solana ecosystem is very, very poppin'. It's a buzzword right there. Moreover, Jupiter is actively expanding its DeFi. We talked about DeFi, how important that is. Products offering features a comprehensive suite that include limit orders, DCA. So limit orders on a swap. I saw that earlier, but I didn't know what they were referring to. So you can do. Okay, hold on. Let me wrap my head around this. So you can do a limit order on a swap. You can do a DCA on a swap. Is this news to everybody else? I remember there was a developer I was talking to with, and he was thinking about doing, well, his plan was to do something like this. This was like 3 years ago. And I always heard people talking about it, but I'd never seen it actually implemented. I think I'm in love, guys. I think I'm in love. And on the Solana ecosystem, shut up and take my money. Shut up and take my money. I'm looking for bullish or bearish stuff. I'm in. So let us. So this one, I am currently logged into the account, the no lose account. We funded it with, I think it was like, come on. We funded it with, I think, like $700. And again, have multiple accounts. But this one is my no lose account. No lose. Don't do it. Don't lose. Okay. So for here, let us do, what are we doing? JUP. Okay. 7 zone instructions. Project is in the assessment zone. Usually early stage projects launch based on recommendations from community. Duration 36 days. After the expiration of this period, projects will either be transferred to the innovative zone or delisted. So more than likely when they do delist, there's more important words. More than likely when they do delist, they give the they have the coins still in your wallet, but you just can't sell them. But you can transfer them to another wallet. So I'll give you a heads up. I'll say accept and continue. I like it. Oh, and not only that, because they're maybe in trouble for MEXC, the actual company themselves may be trying to push this coin and get more orders in, causing your coin to go up. Give you a heads up on that. Little inside scoop. All right. So here we're down to only $270. All our money is going bye-bye. So in this one, we'll do 50. No, we'll do 100 total. 50 at one point and 50 at another. So let's do $50. So the amount here will be 50. Because I like just round numbers. And the price, we can do it. Even though this price is up here, this is what the person is selling it for. So let's see if we can get it for this price. I'm not in a rush. No FOMO. So confirm it. And we wait a few seconds to see if we get it filled. And so far we haven't. Not a problem. Let's go to our lower entry will be right under here. So let's go ahead and just click on this so we don't have to remember all those numbers. Coordinates, copy. Now, I'm thinking, should I do 25 here and then possibly 25 here in case it does dump? Oh yeah, heck yeah. You know what? I'm not even going to try to get this price. I'm going to try to get this price. 15%. I mean, because we have really nice support right here. So this is what I'm thinking. Price action comes down, finds support right here, and then comes up. That's what I'm thinking. I'll put 2 more orders. I'll put one of 25. Because that's nothing right there. 15%. Yeah, it's not even worth putting an order in there. So I'll do another order. I'm going to get in this zone. So right here, I see a zone. This is what I see. I see a zone from here to here. This is my support zone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do right here. So this one, copy, is roughly around 20%. That's good. I like it. I like it. So let's go to this one. And now let's do our thing here. Oh, and look, it took it. Yay me. Yay me. All right, so we have one there, and then for this one, we'll put $50 worth. So $50 down here. So it's this amount, and we'll just do 75. I like round numbers. I don't like when it has 50.33427321. No thanks. I just do these. So I'll put my bid for this price, 74. Even though it's at 92, I have it at 74. If it comes down, great. If it doesn't, that's fine. So buy it. And of course, it takes out the money from here because it's reserving it. So in case I didn't know that. So I had 231. Now I have 175. I'm broke. No more money. Now, what I would like to do is show a transfer every once a month. And again, with this account, it is a no lose account. This is a strictly win account. So what I'm doing is let's just say it was every paycheck, every week. Every 2 weeks to maybe a month, I'll put in a few $100s, because more than likely, like if you're trying to do this and, you're working or you have a family, you have a bunch of responsibilities, the bills, everything, chances are pretty great that you don't have 5-10 grand to put in every month. Chances are. But this is for everybody who is pretty much the average person. You got $100 extra a month. Okay. I'm showing you how to do it with, if you only had 100, okay. Well, we can work with that. If you only have 500 a month, okay, we can work with that. Now, if you have money from the last bull market, awesome. Awesome. So what I would do is just a little bit here and there. Now these coins, I do have some strategic ones, and more than likely on my next funding of the my account for this particular long hold no loss account, I'm more than likely I'll put a 1,000 in, maybe even 500. I don't even know yet. But for this particular account, I'm pretty sure I'm going to start adding some of my longer term holds that I will be getting, which of course include render. Even though it's huge, it can still go up, and it's a safer play, you know. But I will be doing some that are very low market cap coins. And so just to go over some of the coins, I wish there was a way to make this larger. Do y'all know how to make this like a full screen, or to grab this and bring it up? I don't see anything. Let me know in the comments. But we do have a JUP. JUP is the one that we just, nope, wrong one. Here. So, oh, we got into WIF. I don't know if I posted that one. Yes, I did. Only put a little bit, you know, just a little bit of money in it. And I think on this one I have a lower entry as well. I have a few lower entries. We'll check them out. But right now, up 4%. Not bad. This one, AI pad. This was what I was alluding to earlier. This is a launch pad, a very low market cap. I think 23 million, something like that. I don't like the website. Website is trash. I don't like how it doesn't have a lot of information as far as the launch pads, the tokens they've already done. There's a lot of things I don't like about it. But I threw a little bit of money at it, and I believe with a lower bid as well. And hopefully I'll hold it. We don't know. But this might be, this one, it says it's a launch pad for AI tokens. AI is a big thing. So, I mean, this $100 could turn into, you know, 1,500, 1,800. We'll see. We have Lits. This one was, I think, our degen play from a few nights ago. We're up 8%. I believe we were down the other day 22%, but I didn't sell it, so we're up right now. So we're up. Oh, this one's nothing. I had transferred over so just so I can see like their fees and everything and how fast it was. This one, I'm up 11%, so that's good, I guess. This next one, AIEPK, down 18%. Ouch. But I only put $60. It's okay. If this goes down to like 50%, then I'll throw like $50 at it, maybe $100. OGN, we're down 6%. That's fine. JUP, just that one we just got into. And then Bitcoin, which is nothing. It's $10 in there, so this one doesn't really even count. Open orders, JUP with a lower entry, WIF with a lower entry. Let's see, OGN with a lower entry, and then LIT with a lower entry. So all this money, where's the money amounts? Right here. So all this money, let's just say I wanted to get into a trade and I have 0 here. Well, what I could do is just cancel these orders, and then I would have this much money in the account that I can trade. So right now it's just kind of like hiding it for myself, but hopefully we get these lower entries. Hopefully. All right. Good show, guys. Oh, we are overtime. We're overtime. Let's see if we can run through these questions really quick. Always Learning says, saving account only type account. Savings account only type account. Yeah. Interesting idea. Essentially long-term holding. Exactly. Spot on. Long-term holding. So taking profits on gainers only, or letting everything ride till, yep, that's exactly right. That's exactly right. So let's just say we're in a token and right away it goes down 20, 30%. We don't care. It goes down 50, 70%. And you happen to have extra money. Well, then what you could do, let's say you only had $100 in there. Well, what you can do is you can put $100 in. So now instead of being down 50%, because you added more to that, now you're only down 25%. And now it starts going up. Well, now you're up 22%, or, you know, negative 22%, then negative 18%, then negative 10%. So before you even get to your break even, you're already up because you put in more money when it came down. So if that didn't make sense, make sure to write that down, what I just said, or listen to this part over and over. And that's what happens. That's what happens. Let's see here. The next one. The next one says, thanks for the assist. Let's see. Would you be able to look at sand? We would check to see if we can do sand. Let's see, it's on Jupiter. It's brand new. It's about 5 cents. Nice, nice, nice. See here. It's a meme coin, just the tip. Oh, just the tip. That's fine. It's a meme. Let's see here. The next one is see BCH and render. Okay, I think we're over our time though. I think we're over time. You know, guys, I think. Oh man, I don't even know. It's 4 o'clock. Let's go. Let's go ahead and do it. Let's go ahead and do it, guys. Let's do the. Y'all want to do the screen share on Discord? Because we're already closing up already. We're closing up shop. Because I only want these to be an hour long. So let me know. Let me know if y'all want to do Discord. Let's see. Always Learning says, got added to cryptos ATMs, which expanding about 80 ATMs per month. Bitcoin, Ethereum, yeah. Ben's on it as well. Wow. Yeah, the transaction fees are really high. Yeah, I've seen them around. I was super excited when the first time I saw one. I was like, man, that's so cool. That's so awesome. All right. So here is the Discord information. So let me go ahead and enter on that. It is pinned in the pinned messages. It should also be in the description. So if you want to hang out and do those other tokens, they will be in the description. So you missed a note before. You missed a note before. I'm not sure which one it was. Not sure which one it was. But let's go ahead and go to. Let's go to this. Where am I at? And then let's go to this. Okay, let's go to this. And then let's do this. Oops, sorry. I just smacked that I just smacked the mic. Let's hang out. Crypto Talk, free mentorship at and starting in 10 minutes. It's gonna be 1 free hour, 1 hour free mentorship. Okay. And if you're not a member, definitely it's free. You know, just go in there, sign up or whatever it is, and then you're not going to see the room until I activate it. So just to let you know, if you go in there right now and you're like, oh, where's it at? Where's he talking about? Just know that once I activate the room, it'll pop up, and then you'll see that I'll be in there, and we'll go over those charts too. We'll go over those charts. And if nobody shows up, then, well, I will call it a day. But just know, guys, I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I want to make you money. I want to get rich with you, not because of you. And I've always said that from day one, and I've stayed true to that. So we're going to make money. We're going to make a lot of money. And that's all I got, guys. That's all I got. So with that being said, we will see you in the Discord. And I'm not pointing to you. I'm pointing to the guy behind you. I do thank you, guys. And 3, 2, and then 1. Let's make this money. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the Discord. Awesome stuff, guys. Awesome stuff. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. So who's my favorite today? Oh, we got Ian. Ian's my favorite. We got Always Learning. Always Learning is my favorite as well. Yeah, we're going to go over there. We're just going to hang out, kick back. And, you know, if you have any coins you want me to do or coins that I didn't get to, just kind of let me know. And I will definitely check that out. And I really love looking at coins that y'all are looking at. Like Render, I was looking at Render earlier. The market cap is just so huge, but I love the project. You know, dealing with GPUs, is it going to go even higher? Yep, sure is. You know, 30, 50% minimum? Yep, sure is. You know, so there's a lot of these coins. Sand. I am very bullish on Sand. Absolutely bullish on Sand. And I think it's going to do huge. You know, it's down significantly. So just give you a heads up. I'm gonna go ahead and start the live stream in just a moment on Discord. So hang out with me, guys. Hang out with me. Let's talk crypto. Let's look at some charts. Let's do this. Let's make this money. It is 4:10. Not sure what time it is your time, but it is always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. My name is Joe. This is TradingIntuition, and I will see you in the Discord. 3, 2, 1. See you there. Let's jam out. Maestro, music, please.